Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Hey, guess what? It's Stitch Fix time. It is time for my August Stitch Fix. I'm really excited with what I got this month. I believe, what did I ask for? I asked for more transitional pieces into fall because I am way over summer. I just am. I'm over summer. I want it to be fall. So I was like, hey, send me some like good transitional pieces that I could still kind of sort of wear during the summer, since we're here for another month or so, but would also take me into fall. And my stylist, Amanda, did just that. My stylist sent me 2 cardigans, a top, a pair of pants, and a jean jacket. Like I have been kind of keeping myself to, I'm only allowing myself to buy 1 item in a fix if I truly like something in the fix. If I don't like something in the fix, I don't have to buy anything. Sometimes it'll come up that there are 2 pieces that I really like, but for the most part, I'm limiting myself to 1. So yes, I already know what item I am going to be keeping for this month. I'm really excited for it because it's very fall. So I'll just go ahead and start with the item that I am keeping. The one item that I am keeping this month is this cardigan by Pink Clover, and it is the Adelaide 2-pocket waffle knit cardigan in burnt orange. If this doesn't scream fall, I don't know what does. I absolutely love this. I love the fact that it's a waffle knit. I can't remember the last time I actually owned something that was waffle knit, so I'm really excited for this. I love the length on it. I love the looseness of it. This is a small. It is a little bit looser than like a typical small. So if you want that oversized feel, you should be good with your like true size. Love the pockets. Obviously they couldn't hold much because it is a looser cardigan, so if you try to put keys in there, it'd probably hang down. I love this cardigan so much. This retails for $44. I mean, I love it so much that to me that's worth it. Yes, most of my cardigans come from like Target where they're much cheaper than that, but to me, this is the epitome of a cardigan that I would want for the fall. Now I will say the only thing that I don't like about it is, first of all, I can't quite tell what the material is. I mean, it's waffle knit, but for some reason it was irritating parts of my arm. Not my upper arm, but like down on my forearm, it just felt rough, even though when you feel it like here, it's not. So I just don't know if maybe my forearm is more sensitive than obviously my hand. My hand gets a whole lot more exposure to things than my forearm does. So I just don't know if it's more sensitive, but it felt a little rough. My thought is that maybe after a good washing, it'll be better. Get some like fabric softener in there, it'll be fine. That's the only holdup I have about this cardigan. Otherwise, it's perfect. I absolutely love this. There's like nothing bad I could say about this cardigan. It's the perfect color, it's the perfect feel, it's the waffle knit. Ugh. I was also sent a second cardigan, which I thought was interesting that she sent me too. I mean, I love cardigans, so that was totally fine. And it's this mustard colored cardigan by Love Ellie, and it's the Allisa open cardigan, size small, retails for $40. I absolutely love this cardigan. Again, this is another one that I can't really say anything bad about. It's got 2 pockets, much like the one that I am keeping. It's not waffle knit, it's like cotton, so very basic cardigan. The main reason why I'm not keeping it is because I already have a cardigan from Stitch Fix that's very similar to this. It's a more yellow, whereas this one is mustardy. That one is definitely a more yellow one, but the shades are like very similar, so it's like I can't really justify having 2 yellow cardigans. I don't have an orange cardigan, so that's why I want to keep the orange one as opposed to the yellow one. But there's nothing wrong with this one. It's very soft, typical cardigan. It'd be great for the fall. I just have one like it. This one is longer than the orange one that I'm keeping. It's a much longer cardigan, comes down to your butt. Again, this is one that I can't really say anything bad about. It's just I already have one very similar to it, so why would I have 2? Again, the shades are a little different, but they're both yellow. And even though this one is more of a fall yellow, the other yellow that I have could be worn in the fall. It's just this one has a much more like greenish hue to it. Does that make any kind of sense? Next are the pair of pants that I got. These are a pair of burnt orange, much like the cardigan, pants from Democracy. These are the Eddie colored high-rise skinny jean. They're a size 2 and they retail for $68. I really like these a lot. There was only one real thing that I didn't like, and usually I'd say it's the ankle. I don't usually like a higher ankle, but on these it looked good. But for some reason the fabric kept bunching at my knee, and it's like a stretch material, so I'm not sure why it was bunching at my knee, but I just didn't like how it looked when I moved my limbs. You'll see in the little try-on video that whenever I wear pants that I get in a fix, I always like to move my leg to like see how it bends and stuff like that. And for some reason, my knees didn't look right, which sounds like such a nitpicky thing for me to say, but it was enough that I was just like, I don't really want pants that make my knees look like that. God, that sounds so weird. Like such a nitpicky thing. They felt really nice. They're very soft. They are stretchy. Like the waistband is very stretchy. I love that about them. Love the color. Obviously, I'm getting a cardigan in the same color. I was very conflicted about these. $68, a little expensive. If I allowed myself to keep 2 items from this fix, this would be the second one. But I don't know, something about the knees, which again sounds so weird. I know, of all things. Your knees, Gretchen? Really? Yes, really. So I'm sending these back, but I do really like them. I just love the color, burnt orange. Such a good fall color. Next is this top from Cut from the Kloth. It is the Torin Lurex detail shirt, size small, and retails for $68. So the same price as the pants. Already a hit against it. So I got really excited for this one because it's flannel. It's a lightweight flannel, but it's flannel. And flannel season is gonna be soon upon us. And that makes me so excited. I love flannel so much. So there are a few reasons why I'm not keeping this one. One, the price. That's pretty expensive for flannel. Second reason, I already have a flannel shirt from Stitch Fix in this exact same color scheme. I don't need two. It labels this as blue. Am I the only one seeing purple? Or at least periwinkle. This is definitely not blue. What is going on? It's purple. It's purple. That's purple, right? And then there was another thing that I just, again, nitpicky. Like Gretchen, come on. It's got these like glitter strands in it. You might be able to see in the close-up. I can't quite tell. It's not really doing it justice on the little camera, but it's got these glitter strands and it's just really distracting. And I don't want my flannel to have this little bit of glitz to it. We're gonna title this Stitch Fix episode Gretchen's Nitpicky AF. Really, is it that big of a deal? Apparently so. But the main reasons, the price, I have one like this already, and the glitter strands. I will say I love flannel that have like this little button so you can roll it up and then pin it up there. But then this becomes an issue, like how the sleeves do that, and yeah, you can roll it, but then when you actually wear it, it like comes undone, and it's all like, that's a pain in the butt. I like it. It's incredibly soft, much like flannel typically is, but just those little things about it, I was like, not really digging it. And the final item is this jean jacket. It is by the brand Just USA. It is the Otis Classic Tailored Denim Jacket, size small, $68. So there were 3 items in this box that were $68. A pretty expensive box. Now, I really like how this jean jacket looked on me. It's kind of a bit looser, so it's not a tight jean jacket. There's very little distressing down here. It's not even distressing, it's just kind of like scratching. I have a lot of jean jackets. I want a chambray top, so like I asked for chambray tops, which are basically denim shirts. I asked for it because I have a chambray shirt from Stitch Fix that I got 2 years ago that I absolutely love, but it's way too big on me now. So I kind of want that top again. So my stylist wasn't able to find any chambray tops, but she found a jean jacket. And I appreciate her thought process for that one, but I don't need jean jackets. I'm good on jean jackets. I just want the chambray top. I mean, I guess technically I could wear this as a top, but that might also be weird. I have a lot of jean jackets. I have a black one, I have a white one, I have like 3 denim ones, one that's like hella distressed, that one that's not distressed, one that's kind of halfway, different shades of denim. So I don't need another one. So like this fix, there wasn't really anything that I disliked. It was just, I already have something similar to it. This was a tough fix because I didn't hate anything, really. Like, yeah, there were little things that I nitpicked about, but nothing that I truly hated. So it sucks, but the main reason why I'm not keeping this is just, I have a lot of jean jackets. I don't need another one, especially at $68. So the one item I am keeping is the orange cardigan, and it retails for $44. I also have a $25 off because someone signed up with my code. Thank you so much to those of you who have actually signed up through my link, which will be in the description below. I truly appreciate that. It does help me continue with these videos. So my grand total for this will come to $19, which is phenomenal. I'm so excited about that. Only $19, but if I were to get all 5 items, it would come to $288. So this was a pretty expensive fix. Then you get that 25% off if you get all 5, which takes off $72, brings it down to $216 because I have the $25 credit, brings it down to $191. So still kind of an expensive fix, but it sounds pretty good with all these items. I do like all these items. They just nitpicking. No other way to put it is me nitpicking. Let me know in the comments below which of these items were your favorites, which ones you didn't like at all. You know, I'm keeping the one cardigan. It's okay if you didn't like it. It's going on me, not on you. Let me know if you've gotten any good pieces, if you get Stitch Fix, if you've gotten any good pieces recently. Tell me what they are so that maybe I can like look for them myself. I feel like if other people like them, maybe I'll like them. Depends. We may have different styles. Also, just a reminder, if you are interested in trying Stitch Fix, my referral link is in the description below. I would appreciate it if you are thinking about trying it, if you'd sign up through my referral link, because yes, I do get a $25 credit, but it helps to keep these videos going on my channel, so. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Going down there and hit that subscribe button, wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell, in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys!